Hello and welcome back to German Brew. Today again our Braggot. So the Braggot we start on the 15th of July. I wait a little bit long and we started with 1.068. So I think it's completely dry. And first of all we will rack it, we will taste it, we will see what the gravity is, and we will put honey in it to carbonate it before we bottle it. I already smell it before. It really smelled like beer. Like I said, a little bit cloudy. Everything is clean. I cleaned it with hot water. Okay, if you can smell it, it really smells like beer. Of course, it's beer. Or it's a Braggot. Here we have some leftovers, just the yeast. Okay, the yeast don't smell so good. So, I already have here the hydrometer. I make a mess, but it's okay. 1.015. 1.015. So, let's check. Of course, in beer is some sugar that's not fermentable, and I think this is the leftover. We write it down. We have now at the 9th of October 1.015 as a gravity. I forget that what gravity the beer have, but let's check the alcohol we have. For this I go on Brewer Friend. It's a really nice app, and there you just can put what your start gravity was. 6815 updated. And I know now we have here 6.96%, or in the alternative 7.2. So around 7% alcohol. So that's good. We have some rest sugar left. I think it's really the non-fermentable. Let's try it. So the smell is beer. Just it smells like a typical Pils. It tastes like a typical Pils. Just some special flavor I can't describe. Of course, I know it's the honey, but if I didn't know it's honey, I just think, oh, it's smooth, it's nice. Of course, it's flat. And flat beer is not really tasty. That's why we put this back. 2.8 maybe. And the next brewer friend side is how many honey we need to put to carbonate our brew. For this, it's called beer priming sugar calculator. I just put inside how many volume we have, 2.8 liters. Put inside the volume of CO2 I like. In the bottom also, I will put here, in the bottom also is a list how many volume CO2 the different kind of beers have. And we now have some Pils. Pils, I think, is more in the range of a lager. And there I see between 2.2 and 2.7. I prepare more carbonation. I know the yeast can handle 12%. That I know. So we are just at 7. The yeast will not have problems to carbonate the rest of the honey I will put. So we said 2.7 because I want it more carbonated. Put on update. It tells me I need 27.8 gram sugar. So I will try to get 28. Okay, let's try. Put it on 0. 38 grams is not a lot. 28. We have the 28 gram. And now we need to get them in the brew. By the way, I'm using linden honey. It's the same I used in the blueberry mead, because I think it give it extra flavor, extra honey flavor. Even the small, not even 30 gram.
One eternity later.
Okay, up goes again our small jar. Also we go up with this. I have here the 5 original bottles and 1 swing top. This one gets inside here. This one gets inside here. And we flow. We just was less than 3 liters. So the last bottle is not full, I know it. This will be a bottle we drink. I will drink really fast. So we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 real bottle and this one. I just press out the oxygen because it just until here, and we don't want so much oxygen. Here I can see when the CO2 produced. It will go out. And also the other one are soft now, easy to press, and they become harder, and then I know it's done or not. I will give this 2 weeks maybe from now. The last time it was October the 9th when we have our Braggot, and today is October the 22nd. We have our Braggot. It's really hot in here. I cool it in the ref. It's ice cold, and this one is now the one I make with where I pressure it. It even have also pressure. It has some here until here. It's full now. I will show you. Here you can see it's up to here. I can press it just a little, but this is the one I wanted to drink. This is the one I drink maybe on weekend. I wanted to see how it's carbonated. I'm pretty sure it's cloudy because it was not so clear already when we fill it in the bottles, and now it re-ferment again. So I'm pretty sure it's cloudy. Hopefully it's not too foamy now. We will see. Oh, but you can see it's carbonated. There all the bubbles go up. But more important, how will it taste? So the smell, it's something between mead and beer. I now have the honey. Before I think I don't have the honey so much. Really good. So linden honey I use. Give it a little bit more kick. Not sweet. It really tastes like a beer with something different. You can taste the honey, but if you don't know it's honey, maybe you will say it's something else. It's really good. And refreshing after this day. It's a really good Braggot. Perfect. So Perlenbacher plus honey plus yeast. Good Braggot. So I will drink this, and maybe you make the same. Take just the alcohol-free beer, put honey in it, let it ferment, and you have a nice brew. Of course, the carbonation you also can make with the mead. Important is that the yeast is not on the alcohol tolerance. We have here 6% alcohol, so around, so perfect beer. But this is not a beer, this is a Braggot. So let's drink it. Let's go. It's delicious, and I think this is a success. I'm pretty sure my colleague also will like it, because it's delicious and he likes beer. So yes. We see you the next time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and of course write in the comment. Here are 2 more videos. One is YouTube thing you will like, the other one is my last video, and here you can subscribe. So we see you the next time. Bye.